guys, welcome back to my channel. Batay sa ating Minodo eating contest. Tatawag pala kay ma'am. Living after 50s. Yan, tatawag. Member ko to. Nag-reply ako sa kanya. Nasa 100 binges na siya. Okay? So, pag member, piniplay ko yan. Shout out, araw-araw. Saka, sinishare ang video. At saka, pinapromote natin yan. Ito naman si... ito. Natin si my member. Si Honey Pie. Yan. So, ito na si Honey Pie. Nandito na ako sa 6 videos niya sa kanyang 29 videos. Ito. Sa playlist yan. Piniplay ko yung mga playlist nila. Yan. Daily yan. Piniplay ko sila. So, basta gusto niyo mag-member, yan. Huwag kayong ma-hesitate na i-press yung membership button natin, ha? Yan, para don't forget to hesitate to join my membership. YT membership. So I will always play your videos and share. Yan. Okay. So, shout out to Honey Pie from Hong Kong. So, ito na siya. Number 6 videos niya. Okay. Shout out din natin si... Ito, adopted member ko to, si Happy Homes. Yan. Number 19 ako sa kanyang 68 videos. Yan. May ads siya. Okay. Maganda yung may ads. May pera tayo. Shout out, Ma'am Honey. Yan. I'm sorry, Happy Homes and Beauty pala siya. Yung kanina si Honey yan. Yan si Honey. So, punta tayo kay shout out din tayo kay Ma'am Fatima, si Fatima Shahida. Ito si Living After 50s. Okay, si Ma'am Fatima, shout out din tayo. Mamaya, ipa-play natin sa Ma'am Fatima. Naka-play na pala ako sa kanya sa Ma'am Fatima. 2 hours yata yun. Ayan. So, I'm playing now Ma'am Shen, Habana. Kami. Si Living After 50s pala ang ating pictures at saka si Ma'am Shen piano. Living After 50s, guys. Don't forget to ito yung new videos niya, Hazard on Pouring Rain. Yan. So, let's play one of her video. Okay. Nag-loading pa yan. So, punta nyo. Go to her channel, visit, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and play her awesome videos. Yan. So, yung gusto mag-member sa, if you want to be my member, don't hesitate to press that button, and then I will promote your channel. I will promote and share your channel every day. Kaya mo tayo. Kagigisan ko lang, guys. Just woke up and then yan, my wife cook Minodo. Isa sa Minodo. So, channel pictures yan, piano salon. DS yan. Punta nyo si Ma'am Shen, yung her music is awesome. Yan. It's a piano cover. Yan. Then, while waiting for Living After 50 video, yan. May video nagkuhan pa si Ma'am Hazard on Pouring. Yan. Naka-loading. Loading pa siya. So, guys, let's go and do the shout out. So, shout out natin si Lumaga Vlog. Yan, si Lumaga Vlog. Yan, suki din to. Don't forget to visit also his channel. His channel, okay. Kasi Hana Nona. Yan. Hana Nona. Yan, makikita naman nyo yung kanila. yung page, channel, kuan, name. Okay. At Hana _ Muhammad, yan, 667, yan, don't forget to visit. Okay. Cooking with Shamnan Vlog, yan. Meron tayo ni welcome. One moment. Welcome. Let's welcome. Naka-loading tayo ha. Doon tayo kang Ma'am Shin muna, hindi pa siya naglo-loading, yan. Well, kuan. Yan. Maganda yan kami, Ma'am Shin. No loading, welcome. Let's welcome kuan, saan to? Si Inang Mukbang pala to. Ma'am, Inang Mukbang, welcome. Okay, yan. New, nasub ko na to. Inang Mukbang channel. Yan. Don't forget to kuan, visit his channel, her channel, sorry. So ito, Inang Mukbang channel. Yan. Kasi Ma'am Shen, naka-play na. Okay. I hope naglo-loading kasi si Living After 50s. Ito na. So while waiting for them, okay, meron tayong mga bagong subscribers, si Wing France Vlog, yan. Wing France Vlog, si Inang Mukbang at saka siya. Okay, dito tayo. Maraming bago Si Sukam channel, welcome to my thank you for subscribing, and I always play your video. I will always play your video, guys. So, shout out natin si Ma'am Fatima Shahida, hindi ko na-play. Yan, si Ma'am Fatima Shahida, at saka si Fish. Shout out natin si Fish. Yan. Fish. Yun na si Ma'am Kuan. Yung video ni Ma'am Living After 50s, yan. So, ito. Si Fish 1999, shout out. Yan. Shout out natin si si according to Chip, shout out. Okay, according to Chip, shout out Chip. Okay. I have also marami pa. Yan, yung play tayo kay Ma'am Kuan kay na Sunny Pie Vlog, shout out. Yan si Kuan. So dalawa ng video nag-play, si Ma'am Living After 50s at saka si Ma'am Shen sa Habana. Okay. Okay. So next vlog tayo, guys. Next pictures mamaya si Kuan neta, si Pink 96 Lover at saka si Kuan siguro, si Honey Pie siguro. Sige, thank you.